What's up, traders? John Howell here. Hope you guys are doing well. Listen, I want to do a quick video for you today and just share something with you that that's going to help you when you're about to get into a trade. First thing I want to say is when you're about to get into a trade, ask yourself, are you getting to this trade because it's a good trade, or are you getting to this trade because you think it's going to make you a lot of money? Those two different questions, those two different questions can answer so much for you. So, are you getting into this trade because you think it's going to make a lot of money, or are you getting into this trade because it's a good trade? Secondly, what I want to say is when you're about to get into a trade, what you want to do is you want to neutralize your journey when you actually trade the markets. One of the best things that I've done is take screenshots. When you got your one pattern, your one plan, backtest that plan, take screenshots. I've got about 100 screenshots. And then when you take screenshots, a few things happen. One, it actually builds more of a clearer picture of what you're looking for. And secondly, it gives you a reasonable expectation of what can happen or what's likely to happen moving forward when you get into that trade. Does it run on really quickly, average, or does it take its time? I realize within a week of me getting in, 90% of my trades run on for good profits. Within a week, that's just the average. It's actually about 4 days on average, but within say 5 days, within 1 week of me getting in, that trade has run on for really nice profit. And around about 10% of them just don't work out. That's just the way it works. So because I know that in my mind, I'm not going to be freaked out if the market doesn't go for me or if it doesn't do much the very next day. Make sense? So when you take these screenshots, analyze these screenshots and analyze the screenshots. One is going to help you get into really good trades. Secondly, when you're in these really good trades, it's going to help you calm your emotions down. So when you're actually looking to get into the market and when you're actually looking to get into a trade, it's going to help you get into when it helps you get into a trade, you know, okay, here is my absolute exit point where I'm looking to get out of the markets. Here's my absolute exit point where I'm looking to get out of the markets. And also I can expect, you know, it may not do nothing. It may only go for me for a little bit. I expect now my trade to run on for profit within say 5 days from now. Once you know that, you're not so emotionally like, oh, you know what I mean? Like it calms your emotions, be able to think about the market more clearly and be able to move forward in a much bigger way. Make sense, guys? So when you're trading the markets and when you're in the markets, first thing, ask yourself two different questions when trading the markets. First question is, are you getting this trade because you think it's going to make you a lot of money, or are you getting into this trade because it's a really good setup? If you get into the trade because you think because you know it's a good setup, that's where you want to stay. If you think you're going to get into a trade because you think it's going to make a lot of money, that's where you want to get out of. You don't want to touch that thing. So also, what you want to do is when you're getting into the trade, you want to neutralize your journey about what's going on through there. You know what I mean? Neutralize your journey about what's actually going on through there and what's actually happening through there. And then once again, guys, through all the screenshots, about 100 screenshots of different trades and different trade examples, I can see in my mind, okay, within 5 days of me getting in, it's going to run on for a really good profit. So that's all I need to know. Majority of the trades are going to run on for good profit as long as I stick to my plan. So I hope this helped you out, guys. When you're about to get into a trade, ask yourself two different questions, and also have a really good understanding of what the average does on a winning trade, so you can neutralize your emotions, neutralize your journey as well too. Anyway, guys, I'm off. Click on that link in the description. Go grab your free trading course right now.